Yesterday we spoke about prepositions of time, and now we're going to talk about prepositions of space, place, and location. Same thing. So let's look at a map. The map of Israel, for example. Okay. Again, we take our three prepositions, at, on, and in, and we apply the same principle. Okay, at is the most specific and also the smallest. On is less specific, okay, and bigger. And in is the least specific and the biggest. Okay, so let's see how it looks on a map. All right. This time we'll start with the least specific, which is in. So anything that is a container, when a location is a container, okay? So for example, in the vase, in the kitchen, in the office, all right? Anything that can enclose your subject, okay? So we use that for in. If we look at a map, okay, then on the map, anything that has a border, so anything inside that border, we'll use in for it. For example, in Tel Aviv, in Israel, all right? They have a defined border. We'll use on for anything that is a surface, for a location, meaning that is a surface. So I can say, put it on the table, put it on the bed, okay, put it on the floor, on the map, because it's, again, it's sort of a surface. But if we look at the map, okay, to look at something, we'll talk about that when we talk about phrasal verbs, okay, why we don't look on the map but look at the map. But when we look at a map, then on is anything that is a line on that map, okay? So we'll say, I'm on the street. The soldiers are on the border, all right? And finally, at. At is the most specific, but it's also an actual place, all right? So I can be at the museum, at work, at the front door. But also, if I look at a map, at is when I can mark an X on the spot, all right? It's a specific address. For example, 6 Begin Street is I'm at 6 Begin Street. All right.